Civil danger warning for Mercer County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police Department, a classified organization, and relayed through the National Weather Service office in Trenton. This is not a test. A large group of ants have been moving through the city of Trenton and are breaking down cars, buildings, bridges, computers, among others. The Trenton Transit Center has collapsed with at least 110 deaths. These ants seem to be a modified form of Spanish ants. These ants have begun an assault on the Trenton Thunder Ballpark. The ballpark has been evacuated to prevent further injuries. Attempts at destroying these ants have failed. Emergency service vehicles have been destroyed by the ants. Power outages have been confirmed in the area. Internet outages have been confirmed. Sewer lines have sustained heavy damage. Landline telephone services are offline. The classified agency who authorized this alert is equipped to handle the situation. People in the Trenton area should evacuate immediately. Staying in your homes may result in death due to building collapse. When evacuating, only take essential items such as food, water, a first aid kit, emergency money, clothing, and identification. The New Jersey National Guard will assist the classified agency in containing the threat. Please stay tuned for further information.